Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this jelly sandwich water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using some of the Holo Taco Off the Deep End collection. This teal is Wait a Minute. This blue is Crashing Out. This indigo is Made Me Ink. And I know this looks more blue in the bottle, but this is definitely the indigo. The purple is Don't Be Jelly. The pink is What a Catch, and for the marble I'll also be using One Coat Black. Once I have the base colors applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm just going to make sure that it's kind of anchored to the sides. Then I'm going to go in and draw a flower design. Once the design is complete, to avoid having to do too many extra cups, I'm actually going to be dipping 2 nails at a time on different hands. So for this cup, I'm going to be dipping both of my thumbs. Then I'll be using the protection on my fingers to clean up and pulling my nails out. awful. That one's less bad. There's like none. There's none purple there. We're not doing major polish surgery. We're just like bringing out the shape here. Our brush is not very wet. Our brush just has a little bit of acetone on it. I did a tiny bit of polish surgery on a couple nails that I felt had too much black. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the cleanup using a Q-tip for any areas that were outside of the protection, which especially since I was using my fingers to clean up, there's more than usual. And I'm also going to be using the Q-tip on the underside of my nails. Then I'll be using my usual small brush with acetone for closer up. Once I'm done with the cleanup, I'm just going to add one more layer of the polish to give the design a little bit more zhuzh. I think it does look better on the brighter colors because the water marble is more readable, like on the teal and the pink. But they all look pretty freaking good. Once that's applied, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. Once that's applied, I'm going to go in with a layer of matte top coat. here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. When I initially received this collection as PR, I wasn't sure how I was going to fit it into water marble merch, but the colors turned out to work in the water just well enough. And I originally was going to do the entire manicure in the teal, but at the last minute I decided to go with the Skittles, and I think it's really cute. But if it's a little bit too much for you, you could certainly go with just one color, or skip that final layer of flakies if you want to see the water marble more. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate those matte flakies. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial as well as my first thoughts on this collection, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you want to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.